might be thinking, why should, we are, our whole world came crashing down, and you're just harping about the intervention. Why should we be doing that? Give us some time. The thing is, there's something called early interventions. From the 0 to 6 years of age, the human brain is wired or constructed in such a way that whatever intervention or inputs are given to the brain, it immediately takes it in and make it into a permanent part of the personality. The same thing, if you do it after 6 years, or let's say after 8 years, still there will be a change in the brain. Brain will always be working for you. It's a friend, but the type of with the ease and the quickness that it can work in your favor between, let's say, 0 to 6 or 0 to 8 years, it is not the same case after 8 years. So the whole approach now is, I have got a time which is not going to be with you forever. It's a limited time period given by nature. You have to make sure that you tap into that beautiful gift by the nature at the earliest. Same intervention done before 6 to 8 years and done after 8 years makes a huge difference. So, having gone through, or while going through your own turmoil of having everything, just sort of shattered, you have to get up and get going and work on it. Because remember, the intervention usually focuses around the language stimulation, the fine motor, gross motor stimulation, self-help stimulation, cognitive stimulation. And these are the prerequisite for a functioning of any well-adapted, well-adjusted human being. So you are focusing on building the blueprint of his personality. It's not about academics and reading and writing. The focus should be on building the foundation on which he will be able to build himself up later on. If you lose it, you just lose it. So you have to be very, very careful about paying attention to this. As I told that before 8 to 6 years, it's much more effective. What about the parents whose children are like 12 years or 14 years or 15 years? Does it mean that they don't have hope? No, absolutely not. Brain works for you at any age, let it be even 99 years of age. Only thing is, you have to be consistent and regular in any sort of intervention you do. Consistency and regularity is what will help in creating the new neural pathways in the brain. It's like, in a layman's language, it's like creating the new connection in the brain. Another important thing we all have to remember, that we want our children to be independent and self-reliant even after we are gone from this world. And for that, any time, any age is good enough to start. Don't get disheartened that the critical age is gone, we were not aware, we were aware, but we never had the help in our town, the place we were living, we never had situations or resources to take it up. It's all right, what is gone is gone. Any age, I'm repeating myself, any age, any time, you can pick up and make a substantial, concrete, measurable, significant change. It's just consistency and regularity. If you go for some time and there's no improvement, don't give up. Giving up is not an option. If something is given to the brain is stimulated again and again, consistently, regularly. The brain is plastic in nature. That means it can be molded in any way we want it. Brain will respond. You just don't have to give up. Do your bit, brain will do its bit, because that is how the nature has made the brain. Any age, even if it's a child is a teenager or he is beyond a teenager, he's an adult, help and intervention should not stop thinking it will not yield result. It will, at any age.